Welcome to this complete Milan, Italy travel guide, a city where fashion meets history and espresso meets pastries. Milan, Italy's second largest city, pulses with a unique blend of modern grandeur and historical allure. From its world-renowned fashion houses to its centuries-old cathedrals, Milan is an enchanting fusion of the past and the present. Ready to embark on a journey through its bustling streets? We've got a list of 10 must-visit places that will truly enhance your Milan experience. Stay tuned as we reveal the 10 must-visit places in Milan that will make your trip unforgettable. Starting our journey with the breathtaking Milan Cathedral, or Duomo de Milano, as the locals call it. This majestic marvel, standing tall for more than 6 centuries, is a testament to the city's rich history and artistic prowess. The cathedral's striking Gothic architecture, embellished with over 3,000 statues, is a feast for the eyes. Every nook and cranny tells a tale of the past, a fusion of art, history, and devotion. The cathedral's significance extends beyond its architectural grandeur. It is a symbol of Milanese identity and a beacon of spiritual solace. The climb up the cathedral's stairs is an experience unto itself. As you ascend, the city's panorama unfolds beneath you, presenting a sight that will leave you spellbound. And the rooftop. It's not just a vantage point, it's a rendezvous with the city's soul. The intricate forest of spires, arches, and statues against the sky is a sight that transcends time. A visit to Milan is incomplete without experiencing the grandeur of the Milan Cathedral. Next, we step into the world of luxury at the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. A magnificent monument to Italian taste and style, this grand shopping arcade is more than just a place to indulge in a spot of retail therapy. It's a swirling blend of fashion, culture, and history that dates back to the late 19th century. The Galleria is famed for its architectural beauty. It's an awe-inspiring spectacle of iron and glass, forming a cross-shaped plan, topped with a stunning central dome. This structure is an artistic masterpiece, a testament to the architectural prowess of the era. The Galleria is not just about its stunning architecture, but it's also a historical landmark, named after the first king of Italy. It has been a meeting place for the Milanese, a stage for their lives and stories to unfold ever since its construction. And let's not forget the shopping experience. Luxury boutiques, bookshops, and historic cafés line its ornate walkways, offering a slice of Milanese life at its most glamorous. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, where fashion, history, and architecture collide. Continuing our journey, we arrive at the Sporza Castle, an imposing fortress turned cultural hub. Constructed in the 15th century, it was once home to the powerful Sforza dynasty. Today, with its robust walls and turreted towers, it stands as a testament to Milan's rich history, housing several museums and art collections within its formidable structure. Next, we venture to the Santa Maria del Grazie, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This church and Dominican convent, a jewel of the Renaissance era, is famous for a very special reason. It is home to one of the world's most celebrated artworks, The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. This masterpiece, painted directly onto the refectory wall, has captivated audiences for centuries with its portrayal of a significant biblical moment. In these two iconic landmarks, the past and present coalesce beautifully, offering a unique glimpse into Milan's illustrious past. History comes alive at the Sporza Castle and Santa Maria del Grazie. Now let's immerse ourselves in Milan's artistic side, in the Brera District and the La Scala Opera House. The Brera District, or Il Brera, is Milan's bohemian heart. Here, cobblestone streets whisper tales of artists' past, and the air is thick with creativity. Art galleries, antique shops, and artisan boutiques line the narrow lanes, each a treasure trove of unique finds. Among these gems is the Pinacoteca di Brera, home to one of Italy's most significant art collections. A stroll away, we find the world-renowned La Scala Opera House. Since its inauguration in the late 18th century, La Scala has been setting the standard for operatic excellence. It's a place where music and drama interweave to create unforgettable performances. And let's not forget, La Scala isn't just for opera buffs. Its museum is a journey into the heart of musical history, where each artifact sings a story. Experience the heartbeat of Milan's artistic scene in the Brera District and La Scala Opera House. Next, we explore the picturesque Navigli Canals and the Pinacoteca di Brera. The Navigli Canals, once the lifeblood of Milan's commerce, now offer a charming waterway lined with rustic buildings and vibrant cafés. Picture yourself sipping an espresso while watching gondolas glide by, transporting you to a bygone era. Venturing from the canals, we find ourselves at the doorstep of Pinacoteca di Brera. Housed in a beautiful palace, this art gallery boasts one of the most important collections in Italy. It's a treasure trove of Italian Renaissance art, featuring masterpieces by titans like Raphael and Caravaggio. Imagine strolling through rooms filled with works that have shaped the course of art history. After a day of canal-side dining and immersing yourself in the world of Italian art, you'll surely agree that Milan is a city where the past and present coexist beautifully. The Navigli Canals and Pinacoteca di Brera, where beauty and culture meet. Finally, we round off our journey at the vibrant Piazza del Duomo and the iconic San Siro Stadium. Piazza del Duomo, the city's beating heart, is a bustling square brimming with lively cafes, street performers, and mesmerizing architecture. It's the perfect place to sip an espresso, people watch, and immerse yourself in Milan's vibrant culture. It's not just a square, it's a living, breathing spectacle of Milanese life. Now shift gears and imagine the roar of the crowd at the San Siro Stadium, home to AC Milan and Inter Milan, two of Italy's top football clubs. This isn't just a stadium, it's a coliseum where gladiators clad in football jerseys battle it out on the green field. The energy here is palpable, and even if you're not a football fan, the sheer thrill of being part of the roaring crowd is an experience in itself. A trip to Milan is not complete without a visit to the lively Piazza del Duomo and the San Siro Stadium. You can't miss out on in Milan its gastronomic delights. As a city rich in culture, Milan's culinary scene is a fusion of tradition and innovation. First up, we have the risotto alla Milanese. This luxurious dish is a creamy, saffron-infused risotto that is a staple in Milanese cuisine. The golden color from the saffron and the rich, creamy texture make it a true comfort food for the locals. Next, for the meat lovers out there, you can't leave Milan without trying the ossobuco. This slow-cooked veal shank served with gremolata, a mix of lemon zest, garlic and parsley, is a hearty dish full of flavors that melt in your mouth. And last but not least, for those with a sweet tooth, you must try the panettone. This sweet bread loaf filled with candied orange, citron and lemon zest, along with raisins, is traditionally enjoyed during Christmas and New Year. But trust us, it's so good you'd want to have it all year round. So there you have it, a taste of Milan that goes beyond the sights. Don't miss out on these Milanese delicacies on your visit. Buon appetito! And there you have it, 10 must-visit places in Milan, each with its own unique charm and history. First, we took you to the architectural wonders of Milan, where we saw the stunning Duomo de Milano and the historic Sporza Castle, both testaments to the city's rich history and artistic prowess. Then we delved into the vibrant life of the city, exploring the bustling Brera District and the picturesque Navigli Canals, where Milan's spirit truly comes alive. We also got a taste of high fashion in the Grand Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, marveled at Da Vinci's Last Supper, and experienced the electric atmosphere of the San Siro Stadium, showing you the diverse experiences this city has to offer. And let's not forget the delicious Milanese cuisine that you simply must try. From the creamy risotto alla Milanese to the succulent ossobuco and the sweet panettone, your palate is in for a treat. So pack your bags, put on your most comfortable shoes, and get ready to explore the wonders of Milan. Safe travels.